What? I had the 50 cent piece.
Penny, there's no way.
No, it's a half dollar.
It's the 50, it's the bottom, yeah.
Nah. No. It's a penny. It's the pennies.
Oh my God! Wait.
I swear. Boy! What is that?
That's not real.
That's not real! That's not... That clone... That's not...
There's no card that's 3.5.
Oh yeah. Now, are you aware that this gentleman here has a magical touch? Go ahead and give her a tap. You feel anything here? I do it! Disappear. Thank you. Did you still have yours in there?
Please no.
Sarah, you're pulling out your hand. Try it with the same. Again, with the small birds. Did you hear anything in there?
Let me open it.
That's the problem. It's not easy to hear.